Hello students, today I am going to start a next concept, transposing method. We have seen while solving equations, one commonly used operation is addition or subtraction, the same number on both sides of the equation. So here we use transposing method. So what is transposing method? This method says that transfer or transposing a number is the same as adding or subtracting the number from both sides. In doing so, the sign of the number has to be changed. So let us take an example. So see here, this is the 3p minus 10 is equal to 5. So transposing method means transfer the number from one side to another side. When you transfer any number from one side to another side, its sign becomes changes. If this is the minus 10, it will become plus 10 when you transfer from this side to this side. If this is the plus 5, when you transfer to this side, it will become minus 5. Remember that in transposing method, when you transfer any number from one side to another side, its sign becomes changed. If it becomes negative, it becomes plus. If it is positive, it becomes negative or minus. You should remember that. So here 3p minus 10 is equal to 5. So now transfer or transpose the minus 10 from LHS to RHS. When you transpose this minus 10 to this side, it will become plus 10, because here minus 10, when you transfer this, it will become plus 10. The 3p is equal to 5 plus 10. So 3p is equal to 5 plus 10 is 15. So but we want only variable p. Okay. So now divide the both sides by 3. Okay, so we should remember that if any variable, if the x, it is in the multiplication form, it is multiplied by any number, we should remove this number. Okay, how to remove this number? Just divide this variable by same number. Here a is there, here also a. Okay, if this is the 2x, then just divide the only 2. Okay, so when 2 cancel, we get only variable x. So we have to divide the variable or whole number by the same number. Okay, you should remember that. If you this variable is divided by any number, that is x by b. Okay, we want only x. So now we have to multiply this whole expression by denominator, that is b, the same number. Here also, multiply just the same number. Here also we multiplied this number by b. Okay, you should remember that. So see here, this is 3p now. Here the 3p, so we want only p, so that divide both sides by 3. So 3p by 3 is equal to 15 by 3. 3 cancelled out, p is equal to 3 5 is 15. Okay. So like this you solve the all exercise problems. Okay. Now we solve the exercise 4.3 problems. In that the first problem is 2y plus 5 by 2 is equal to 37 by 2. So first we have to transfer this number to the RHS. Okay. So that is 2y is equal to 37 by 2. So when you transpose this 5 by 2 to this side, its sign becomes changes. The plus becomes minus 5 by 2. And 2y is equal to, here the LCM is same, the same number in the denominator. So we write just 2 and 37 minus 5. And 2y is equal to 37 minus 5 is 32 by 2. Okay. See here, here the variable is y, but this variable is along with 2. So we have to remove this 2. How to remove? just divide both sides by 2, because here 2 is there in the numerator. So divide both sides by 2. The same number we have to divide by same number, so that this 2y by 2 is equal to 32 by 2 into by 2. This is also by 2. Okay, this 2 is cancelled out, then y is equal to 32 by 2 and this will becomes 1 by 2. So see here 32 by 2 into 1 by 2. So y is equal to 32 by 2 2s are 4. So 4 1s are 4 8s are. So y is equal to 8. Or we can do like this. Here the 32 by 2, just divide 2 1s are 2 6 are. So 2y is equal to 16. Now divide 2 on both sides. So 16 by 2, 2 cancelled out, 2 8s are. So we get also y is equal to 8. So we can you can use any methods. Use this one or use this one. If you get confusing here, so use just this method. Okay. Next problem is a by 5 plus 3 is equal to 2. First transpose 3 from LHS to RHS. This plus 3 becomes minus 3. So a by 5 is equal to 2 minus 3. So a by 5, 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So now we have to multiply 5 or multiply both sides by 5, because here denominator is 5. This whole expression is multiplied by 5. Okay, then a by 5 into 5 is equal to minus 1 by 5. 5 cancelled, a is equal to minus 1 by 5. Okay. The next one is, see, the 5 by 2 into x is equal to minus 5. So this is 2. First we have to multiply by 2 on both sides. So this is 5 by 2 into x into 2 is equal to minus 5 by 2. Here in the denominator also 2, here also 2, 2 cancelled out. We get 5x is equal to minus 5 by 2. So now we have to divide. Now we have to divide 5 on both sides. On both sides we get 5x plus 5, here minus 5 by 2 into divide by 5. Okay, here this one is written, I write it as 1 by 5. Don't get confused here. So if you get confusing here, see here, this is 5x by 5, this is minus 5 by 2 into 5. This 5 is cancelled out and x is equal to minus 5 by 5 2s are 10. So this is 5 1s are 5 2s are. So x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay, or we can cancelled out here, 5 cancelled, we get minus 1 by 2. Okay. See the next problem, that is 2 into x plus 4 is equal to 12. So first divide both sides by 2. Here the 2 into x plus 4, the bracket which means multiplication. You should remember that if you write in bracket any number, this bracket represents the multiplication. So that here 2 into x plus 4, so here multiplication is there, so that we have to divide 2 on both sides. So that is 2 into x plus 4 divided by 2 and here 12 by 2. So 2 cancelled out, we get x plus 4 is equal to 2 1s are 2 6 are. Now we transpose Now we transpose 4 from LHS to RHS. So we get plus 4 becomes minus 4. So x is equal to 6 minus 4. We get x equal to 6 minus 4 is 2. Like that you solve all the problems. In the exercise problems, all problems are like this. So you by using this method you can solve all the problems. Okay.